Jira versus Asana. Which project management tool is right for you? Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to Jira, a robust, feature-packed project management tool. The other leads to Asana, a streamlined, user-friendly alternative. Which road do you take? The answer depends on your specific needs and preferences. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks? Or perhaps you've struggled to keep your team aligned on project goals. So you're not alone. And that's where project management tools like Jira and Asana come into play. In today's fast-paced world, efficient project management is more important than ever. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a small team, or part of a large corporation, a good project management tool can help you stay organized, productive, and on track. Understanding the basics. So what exactly are Jira and Asana? Let's break it down. Jira is a powerful tool that was originally designed for software development teams. It offers a wide range of features, including issue tracking, bug reporting, and agile methodologies. Asana, on the other hand, is a more general-purpose project management tool that's suitable for teams of all sizes. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a popular choice for those who aren't familiar with project management software. Key differences. Now that we have a basic understanding of Jira and Asana, let's dive deeper into the key differences between the two tools. One of the most significant differences is their pricing. Jira offers a free plan with limited features, but you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to access the full suite of functionality. Asana, on the other hand, offers a generous free plan that's suitable for most small teams. While the paid plans offer additional features, the free plan is more than enough for many users. Another key difference is the level of customization. Jira is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the tool to your specific workflow. Asana is also customizable, but to a lesser extent. Features to consider. When choosing between Jira and Asana, it's important to consider the specific features that are most important to you. If you're looking for a tool that's heavily focused on software development, Jira is likely the better choice. However, if you need a more general-purpose project management tool that's easy to learn and use, Asana may be a better fit. Some of the key features to consider include task management. Both Jira and Asana offer robust task management capabilities, allowing you to create, assign, and track tasks. Kanban boards. Both tools support Kanban boards, which are a popular visual method for organizing and tracking work. Time tracking. If time tracking is important to you, both Jira and Asana offer built-in time tracking features. Reporting and analytics. Both tools provide reporting and analytics features that can help you track progress and identify areas for improvement. Integrations. Both Jira and Asana integrate with a wide range of other tools, including email, calendar, and communication platforms. Choosing the right tool. So, which tool is right for you? The answer depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a software developer or working on a complex project, Jira may be the best option. However, if you need a simpler, more user-friendly project management tool, Asana may be a better fit. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try both tools and see which one works best for you. Additional considerations. Before making your final decision, there are a few additional factors to consider. Team size. If you're working with a large team, Jira may offer the features and scalability you need. However, if you're working with a small team, Asana may be sufficient. Budget. Jira's paid plans can be more expensive than Asana's, so it's important to consider your budget when making a decision. Learning curve. Jira has a steeper learning curve than Asana, so if you're new to project management tools, Asana may be easier to get started with. In conclusion, both Jira and Asana are excellent project management tools that can help you stay organized, productive, and on track. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. By carefully considering the factors discussed in this video, you can make an informed decision and choose the tool that's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.